This is the 20 rupees skid steer loader from Ripa Group, featuring a 2,100 kilograms load capacity and powered by a Yanmar engine. Our advanced model incorporates multifunctional pilot control levers, with the left handle integrating travel, steering, speed selection, and horn functions, while the right handle operates implements and auxiliary attachments. The innovative top-mounted cooling system utilizes dual fans, including a powerful 160W suction fan to maximize heat dissipation and maintain optimal cabin temperatures. For extended operation, we've equipped durable plastic, hydraulic, and fuel tanks that maintain superior internal cleanliness. The dual 45cc closed-circuit pumps deliver exceptional 45 megapascals working pressure for demanding travel conditions.